friends. I hope you all are doing good there. In this particular video, I'm going to discuss something about selection shot. Basically, this specific video is having two parts. Part one is basic understanding of selection shot, and in second part, we will discuss the program implementation of selection shot in C. So let me start. Just take the idea of selection shot. What we will do in selection shot is we will initially find, say, someone asks you to find the smallest element in an array. What you will do? You will make a normal iteration throughout the array and you will compare each element with the very next element starting from 0, and then you will search that which element is smaller and the smallest element in the array. Okay, so we will do the same thing. We will first find the smallest element in an array and then exchange it with the very first position. Okay, that is index 0. And we will do the same thing with the second element also. We will find the second smallest element and exchange it with second position. Okay, then we will do the third iteration and we will find the third smallest element and then we will exchange it with the third position and so on. And we will keep continuing this thing till the sorted array. That is our basic requirement. So properly, if we say an example of this one, we have an array like this one: 8 4 6 9 2 3 1 that you are seeing here. This is not in sorted order. So as per our previous idea, what we will do, we will find the smallest element in this array. We'll start from there, this, and then we will compare this with this. Is this smallest? No, this is not smallest. Okay, this is not smallest, this is not smallest, this is not smallest, but this is the smallest element in this array. So what we will do, we will exchange this one with 8. Let's see how. This is the smallest one, and then we will swap it with the very first position, and the new array will be 1 at this position, 8 at this position. Now, in second iteration, we will not compare this one. Okay, because we have already find the smallest one. We will find the second smallest element. We will start from here and we will that if there is any other element which is the smallest one in this specific array. Okay, and in that case, we found 2 is the smallest element and we will exchange 2 with this 4. Okay, so 2 is here, 4 is here. The position is being changed. Now the rest array is this one that we need to find out. Again, what we will do, we will again find the smallest element in this specific array. In this specific, these specific elements 6 9 4 3 8. And which one is the smallest now? That is 3. Now again, 3 will be swapped with the third position, that is 6. So 6 and 3 position will be interchanged, and what you will get, 1 2 3 and 6 will be here. So 3 is at 6th position, 6 is at third position. And same way, if we will check further smallest element in these elements, now 4 is the smallest one, and then what we will do, we will just swap the position of 4 with the fourth position, that is 9. 9 and 4 will be swapped, and what you will get, 1 2 3 4, and 9 is now in the position of 4. Okay, now what elements are left? That is 9 6 and 8. Which one is the smallest element? 6. What we will do, we will just swap the position of 6 and 9 and you will get this array. Now again, we will compare these two. 8 is smallest, 9 is larger than 8. So these will also be interchanged. And finally, 9 will be compared and it will be in its own position. And the last one, what we will get, all the elements of array in a sorted order. And this is what basically the idea of selection shot. We will find the minimum value, and that minimum value will be compared, means we will get a minimum value in every iteration and we will simply position it to its specific position. That is, at the first time, if we get the minimum value, it will be placed at the very first position. If you will get the second minimum value, it will be at the second position. Then we'll get a third minimum value, that will be at third position, and so on. That we will do till we are not getting the sorted array. So this is the basic idea of selection shot. And in next video, what we will do, we will just take a program and we will explain how selection shot is going to be implemented in that specific language. So guys, till then, thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.